How to download and install Putty on Windows 11. To do that, open any browser and in search type in Putty. Click into very first website, which is putty.org, and here click on very first option, download Putty, and here in this very first tab you will see three options to download Putty. If you are using 64-bit 86, which is most used Windows operating systems, then download first. I am using the 64-bit 86, so click on first link. It will download Putty to your computer, then open a file explorer and go to your downloads. Here you will see Putty 64-bit file. Double click on it, click on next. This will show you where your Putty will be installed in program files. Click next, install. And then check this view readme file and click on finish. And Putty will be installed. To check this, in search type in Putty, and here you will see very first icon Putty, click on it. And now you have installed Putty on Windows 11.